fantastic summer salad coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. A really lovely treat, something you're going to be able to prepare again and again. Trust me, you will. Flavor profile off the charts, appearance fantastic, flavor superior to anything I've had recently. My sister Maria, her husband Steve were visiting. Maria was describing a salad that she and my niece often make. Maria kind of ran through the ingredients and I was like, let's make it. To begin the recipe, you're going to need cucumbers. Take your peeler, take off a strip, turn it a little bit. I like that variation when you're peeling a cucumber onto our work surface. Trim off the ends. We're cutting down the middle, flip on the side. Nice chunky pieces of cucumber. We're going to place them to the side. Our next ingredient, ripe avocados. I want you to find 2 of them. When you cut them open, they should look like this. And then when you start to take the flesh away, no blemishes, take them out of the skin, and then we're chopping them as well into a bowl. I love Maria's suggestion for adding a cheese into this, and for that we're turning to feta. If you can find traditional feta cheese from Greece, it'll be very crumbly. Commercially made feta is a little bit more firm. I take a nice hunk, probably about a cup of feta onto the work surface, and I cut it kind of like a Rubik's Cube. Thin slices, turn it, thin slices, twist, and then you're left with these beautiful cubes. Last couple of ingredients are all about the flavor profile. Dill, fresh dill, where I'm not chopping it, I'm taking the fronds off of the stem. Try to do about a half a cup of dill fronds for the salad. We have 1 lemon. I zest it first. I'm going to use that lemon zest in the salad. Then I cut it in half. Lemon juice is essential to this recipe as well. Once those first few principal ingredients are ready, we're taking a medium bowl. I'm adding those cucumber chunks. Let's toss in the avocado. Next we add in that feta cheese. How about a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil? This will prevent the avocado from breaking down when we go to toss. So some beautiful dill fronds on top. I want to add that lemon zest. A sprinkle of fresh ground black pepper. Just a pinch of kosher salt. We're going to do the juice from half of a lemon, 2 spoons, stir it in a bowl, and then you're ready to present. When you're ready to serve, luncheon plates or dinner plates go down on a work surface. Some Boston bib lettuce, kind of like a collar for our salad. Add a beautiful portion, generous please, of the salad onto the lettuce leaves. Finishing touches, we're gonna boost that zippiness with another squeeze of lemon. More of those dill fronds, so perfect in the salad. A little sprinkle of kosher salt, some more fresh ground black pepper, a little bit more of the fresh lemon zest, and your salad is ready to be enjoyed. I would serve this with nothing more than a big smile on your face. That's what you're going to get back from your guests when you serve it up, because it is so flavorful and wonderful. Really fresh tasting. And enough on this plate to make a beautiful meal for sure. After you've made this salad, don't forget to visit weekendатthecottage.com. While you're there, please subscribe to our website, look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, and don't forget to keep the conversation going on 1 or more of your favorite social media platforms: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Serve up something healthy and delicious this summer, lunch or dinner. This salad is it. Hope you enjoy. Come on back and visit again soon. Take care. Yep.